right, so hello there. My name is Henry Bell. This is a 2022 Google AdWords Performance Max tutorial. So I'm going to move quickly. I want to get this done within the next 4 minutes or so. Okay. So here, first click on new campaigns, right? So just like any other campaign, I usually go with this, create a campaign without a goal guidance. You can pick leads, sales, but if you want to do it like me, I suggest creating without a goal guidance. Then click on Performance Max. Usually, if you have existing campaigns, this will fill up. Otherwise, you can create some. I usually wait till after I set up my campaign and do that. So let's continue for now. Name your campaign. In this case, Performance Max. Right? Leave it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right. Next, computer's loading. Perfect. Bidding. Enter whatever bid you want to budget. You can use F4 to use daily. In my case, I'm just going to do $4. Now for bidding, I will stick with conversions. Conversion values work as well. However, I usually start with conversion and then later on switch over, or you can A/B test to see what works. Right. Then next, now you're picking your country. If you want to select an individual location, this is how you do it. You can enter California or or wherever California. It loads up. It should pop up in a second here, and then you can target that right here. You can target that specific location, or you can stick with the U.S. and Canada or whatever you want to do. Languages, pick your language over here. By the way, this is a account that I'm not using anymore at all. I'm just using it for tutorials, so just ignore up here for now. If you have your account set up properly, you wouldn't have to worry about this right here. It's just I'm not using this account. That's why. Anyways, now asset groups. This is you want to set up as many asset groups as you can that makes sense for you. So let's just say if you're a lawyer, you might want to set up asset groups for accident lawyers, or I don't know, wrongful death, whatever you cover, right? So you can create multiple asset groups. For this one, I'm just going to leave that there for now, and then here you enter the URL of whatever you're working with. So I'm going to use this URL, and then you enter images, right? So if you have images, go for it. What's really sweet about this is you can even will scan your website, and you can enter images from the website, or you can even create videos, so on and so forth. It's pretty awesome. All right, I'm just gonna keep going for now. But point is, create as many assets as you can. So images, logos, enter as many of those as you possibly can in there. I'm just trying to get through this, so save. Perfect. All right. Enter videos if you have any. Enter your headlines and descriptions. Right. So I'm just jotting things in here for now, just for the sake of this tutorial. Enter all of your headlines. Uh, obviously be more creative. The purpose of this isn't to give you headlines or whatever. I'm simply just showing you how to create this campaign. So I'm just going to do what I have to do to move along. Okay. All right. Almost there. All right. So fill this up however you can. Right. Enter site links. All of that is important. To enter whatever you would need to enter as much as you can. Get where it says ad strength up to as high as you can, and then the next thing is you want to create audience signals. This is really important, right? Creating audience signals help you um, pinpoint who you want to target, right? So in this case, I'm just going to enter something here, marketing, right? um, you can, yeah, so go through it, enter the audience signals that matter to you. I'm not even going to do it in this for the sake of this tutorial, just to get this going. But yeah, be sure to enter your audience signals. It's really important. And then of course click next. And that right there is how you do a Google AdWords Performance Max campaign. I rushed it, but you get the purpose. Follow those directions and you will succeed. Have a good day.